how to withdraw from Vantage to Binance. Here's how it works. First, you want to load up the Vantage website or the app and make sure you are on the main page and you have selected the correct live account. Next, we will just click on withdrawal here. Once you click on withdrawal, again, make sure you verify the account, make sure you have selected the correct one, and enter the amount which you want to withdraw to Binance. You have the option of selecting max here for the maximum amount which you want to withdraw. And you will just click on continue, which is going to ask us for the preferred withdrawal method. I'm just going to show you with deposit here because it's going to be similar. Once you click on continue, it is going to show you this, and you want to select the option for e-wallet or cryptocurrency. I'm going to select e-wallet, and it's going to show you Binance Pay here directly. And once you click on it, then you can continue, and it's going to ask you for the Binance Pay information. And once you have connected your accounts, this is going to withdraw from Vantage into Binance. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.